I don't know if you guys are ready for this.
That's not stop.
That thing's loud.
Find a fucking junk one, dude.
I might have to take that
You can
one.
find a fucking engine for junk.
Everyone spoke up in the comments about the 4-stroke build. Blew me away. Definitely gave me the motivation to get that done. I got a donor sled, but it's a pretty nice donor sled, and I don't know if I'm going to have the heart to rip this thing apart. So I'm going to come out here and ride it and see if I like it as is or what. Either way, we're going to do something with the XC. Don't worry about that. That's going to get a 4-stroke. It'll be this engine that's in this sled, but I don't know if I'm going to use this sled or not because I kind of got a good score. So I'm going to go ahead, get everything unloaded. We'll show you what we got. We know about this hot rod, huh? Oh, hell yeah. 2016 1200 X package. 137 Renegade jobber. Woo! Long list of mods on this thing. Woo! Oh, look at these modes, dude. We got modes. Boring. Way boring. There we go. Big PB80, big Cudney kit, big CR9 helix, big wrapped up header, modified muffler for sure. We got vents all over. There's a vent down here. I don't know if any of this is going to show up because it's dark. Vents all over the thing, high gear dual rates. I mean, we've got it all. 6,400 fresh miles. 2-year-old fuel. We put some fresh 93, a little splash of butane in there. No idea how old the oil is. No idea how old the filter is. Let's go see what we got. Whoa! All right, the E-throttle, right? Everyone who's had one of these knows. Touchy little throttle. Hand warmers don't work at idle. Very disappointed in that. It is what it is. I do be missing my XS chassis sleds though. Oh, high beam's not terrible. Not great, but not horrible. Oh, we have a heated seat too. It's aftermarket though, so I don't know if I dare run that yet. Oh boy, this thing's like a dream. Pilot skis, it has both runners going. I don't know what they are. I literally have not looked this thing over a lot. I mean, I've looked it over, but not enough to know what we got going on. No idea where the shocks are at. It beats me on all that. We got a 1.6 Cobra that's relatively new. It's got a double, so 2 like 1.75s every other row. So not many studs. Big window, big mirrors. No way, dude. This throttle is so touchy. Holy pecker. Definitely Canada Cruiser special right here. Yo, this 8,500? What the fuck? No way. I know they like turning these things up pretty high, but what? The header has a wideband sensor bung in it. I mean, allegedly, this came from some guy that used to race snow drags or something out in Tug Hill area or something like that. It's all done up. 8,400? Yeah, what the quack noise is this thing doing? This thing kind of runs, dude. No way. It's pretty dialed in. I didn't do anything with the shocks. His handle's really good. This is nuts. It does not tip. Like, I don't know how hard I can push it, if it'll tip it. Oh my god, it rides really good. Needs the RS pads like I used to have to do, but what? This is what I was worried about. I don't know if I'm gonna have the heart, damn, to cut this thing apart. I might have to find another donor. My fleet is just gonna, oh my god. Yo, this thing's got torque for days. Yo, I gotta be honest with you guys. I'm kind of done with new sleds. New sleds kind of suck. Like, I've had so much more fun buying these $2,000 to $4,000 sleds and just getting out and ripping them than I have all this other crap. This thing's a hammer. What? Like, I've always read on Do Talk and everything that they run good when they're all tuned up and everything, but this is like impressive for what it is. And I've definitely missed the XS chassis. Throw an XRS seat on here, a little bit narrower XRS panels. Ooh, baby. Oh my God, this thing is kind of incredible. There's not a lot of fuel in it. I only put 2.5 gallons in it on top of whatever was in there. I think I'm gonna cruise it back so I don't get in trouble. I didn't expect it to run this good. Oh man, I really want to keep going, but I don't want to run out of fuel. Light's not on yet. Whoa. Oh my God. It handles really good. $84, $87? What the f? No way. No shot. 85, 86. Yeah, okay. What is going on with this thing? Why is it turning so many rip'ems? Why are we doing this? What is going on with this thing? 8,700? I don't know anything about these PB80s or the tune. Like, I don't know what tune is in this. No idea. I don't know if it should be turning 87, it should be turning 84. I don't know. I have no idea. It definitely seems to pull better at 84-ish than it did at 86, 87. So maybe I got to put a heavier hockey puck in that thing or something. I don't know what to do with a PB80. Yeah, I got to turn around before I run out of fuel. Where can I flip around? Oh, right here. All right, it's kind of deep in there. It's kind of deep up in here, boys. I'll tell you what I don't want to... Oh, my God. Good thing this has the 1.6 Cobra on it, otherwise I'd be stuck. I don't like this. I'm not built for boondoggling. I don't know how to hop over or nothing. Jesus, that was almost bad, boys. Woo! Our gauges. Woo! Why is it so much? There's a lot of snow up in there. Oh, man. Good job, old girl. Yeah, new sleds are dumb. They're so stupid. If you're watching this and you're thinking about buying a new sled, just don't. Find some old hot rod and just go have fun. I think the channel might take a little turn going into next season. We might be doing more hot rods than we're doing new stuff. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll tell you what I'm having more fun doing. It's this right here. I already know what's going to happen. I already know Elbert's going to ride this thing once and it's gone. I will never ever get it again. Never. Yeah, there's no shot I'm ever going to get this back from him. I just can't let him ride it, I don't think. I'll tell you what you don't need to do on it, and that's lean very much. I feel more comfortable when I lean, but I don't think I need to with it. The hand warmers are not great. They're cranked all the way up, and I haven't really been feeling a whole lot out of them. I mean, they're like warm, but they're not hot by any means. If anyone's got some tricks for that. I guess the windshield's not really that great in the hand department. The mirrors are there, but yeah, we'll work on that. Yeah, so it's like I planned on this engine and power plant in that XC will be a absolute weapon. I don't know if I would even put a turbo on it. I might even just run it like this, because this thing is like really, really good. Oh my Lord. I'm surprised that it pulls the skis like that. I'm surprised it wheelies that much over little rises and stuff. It steers kind of hard for having pilot skis on it. It's got a lot of ski pressure. The limiter might be pulled up on it, honestly.
Back for Canada and everything.
You're not stealing my hot rod already, dude.
Might just steal it.
There's no way. I knew this was gonna happen.
Find you another one.
This was the problem. I
already
knew
flipped
he
this?
was gonna. Of course, I already flipped that.
It was-
I knew he was gonna steal my donor. I knew it.
It was so cool down low, finger grip. Just
No, it's not. You're
it
not
was
doing
so
that.
Low. It wasn't way out here.
I know. I saw where it was. Dangerous.
It was awesome.
What's up with this tape? Do we know what this is? Oh, he had knee pads on it. Got it.
Yeah, I don't. It's
Ooh.
that one here too.
Probably had a whole big saddlebag
Yeah.
pad
I
thing
don't know
on
what
there.
was in there, but there's something in there.
Where's the heated seat? Oh, heated seat. Right there, okay? All of this over there. Ooh.
Steal it. I'll find you another one.
Just get you on a
This one's
120.
all done up.
Get a 129.
That's the only kicker, I think.
So see, this whole deal worked out great.
129.
I said, I'm going to buy this for the engine and stuff, and then we can ride it a couple times with the chassis and everything as it is just complete. That way he can get an idea if he likes the chassis again and wants to go back to an XS and a 129 with a 1200. Everybody wins.
Yeah, this one's
This one's sick.
got goodies in it.
It's got a lot of goodies. It's got a lot of goodies, but we're not getting into the goodies yet.
Find a fucking junk one, dude.
I would might have to take that one.
Find a fucking engine.
I get back from testing to unload everything, and Buddy's been ripping my donor. He's been out hogging my hot rod. Buddy tried to tell me that 1200 is loud. And I said, my guy, you want to ride something that's loud? I'm going to let you hop on this. What is he doing? Ugh. Can he not? Ah! Go, dude! Ah, let's go! How far is he gonna go? He loves that thing. Look at him. buddy is a hazard on that. I don't know what he's gonna do ever. I can't turn. We're getting him, let's go. He needs to be careful. He's feeling himself too much on that thing. Oh my Lord. It takes this thing quite a while to run that down. Tony's clutch stuff in the old Edge 800 is fucking wheeling. The slush. I don't think I've seen him ride like that in a long time, probably since we did the rental sleds out in Tug Hill. What the f got into you?
I can ride down those old things 10 times faster than those.
That thing's sick, right?
I feel perfectly safe. Get out of that thing.
No shot. I'm gonna buy him an Edge chassis, build him one. Oh no! What are you doing?